Upcycling a customer's dining chair. Today's apprentice. Customers rip the chair out, it requires all new foam. Start by making a template for the new outside back cardboard. Cover cup, pile down, which is large enough for the rebate on the inside back. Setting at the bottom, pull to the top, making sure you stay in the rebate. Find staples at a slant away from the inside edge. I hope you're watching this. Trimming the excess cover off, back finished, cardboard supporting it. Foam cut to shape. I'm just going to take some of the bulk out off the back edge at an angle. Glue excess down. Glue the back foam on. Setting the back foam into position. Dacron cut to shape. Back cover cut to size, pile down. Setting the back on, relieve the pressure by slicing the bottom. Using bronze Renaissance strip stud to finish. Snapping studs off, finishing with single ones. Back finished, all supplies used, available at our website. Join us for part 2 when I'll show you how to do the seat.
Stationary at the moment. M1 South.
Finished, just in time for blue.